Hey there, Raiders! Here's how to get raw Aurogen Crystals in Sand. Raw Aurogen Crystals are one of the rarer resources in Sand. They're primarily used for high-tier tech tree upgrades, allowing you to unlock more advanced gear, trampler components, and other late-game technology. Obtaining them is fairly straightforward, but locating them can take some patience. As you explore the world, keep an eye out for clusters of tall, pillar-shaped rock formations. Around these areas, you may find large, glowing crystal formations protruding from the ground. They don't appear every time, so you may need to visit several crystal fields before finding one. Once you've located a crystal formation, man one of your trampler's cannons and fire at it until it shatters. After it breaks apart, drive over to the remains and you'll find a raw Aurogen Crystal waiting to be collected. Keep in mind that these crystals are too large to fit in your inventory. You'll have to carry them with both hands, so you won't be able to use your weapons while transporting them. More importantly, raw Aurogen crystals are radioactive. As long as you're carrying one, it will slowly drain your health. Because of this, you should return to your trampler as quickly as possible and place the crystal into one of your storage compartments. If you need more crystals, simply continue searching for additional crystal formations and repeat the process until you've gathered enough for your upgrades. Since these crystal fields are valuable resource locations, they're also attractive targets for other players. Stay alert while mining. Keep an eye on the horizon for enemy tramplers, and make sure you extract safely so you don't lose your hard-earned loot. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.